Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today is the 5th of December. I think the plan for today is, well, I need to do some editing, which is all very boring. I probably also have to film a main channel video later, which again is not very interesting for you guys, but I guess that I can show you some of the setup and stuff. I was going to say if you want to, but obviously you can't reply back to this. I also think I'm going to try and like make my room a bit more Christmassy, because I currently don't have very Christmassy bedding. It's like really summery bedding, and I want to put up a mini Christmas tree in my room, so I might try and do that today. What else am I going to do? I don't know. I guess we'll just see where the day takes us, but yeah, that's the plan. But today I'm having another like pretty chill day. Tomorrow I'm going out and doing stuff, so obviously I'll try and show you guys some of that, and yeah, I guess I better get to editing. I feel like it's way too dark to actually see anything. Let me turn on the TV. So it's actually now 20 past 4 in the afternoon. I've been editing like all this time since I woke up. To be fair, I did wake up quite late today. I don't know why. I was so tired, but I ended up getting like 10 hours of sleep, which is very rare. I mean, nice, but I woke up quite late. So yeah, the time is 20 past 4 and I've only just finished editing my vlogs from yesterday and the day before. So I think what I'm gonna do now, well, I need to get some kind of footage for today's vlog. Well, I need to do my advent calendars, which is the first thing. I also need to make the thumbnail for my video that's going up tonight. I should probably actually do that because it needs to go up at 5. Yeah, you know what, let's make the thumbnail now. I'm kind of hungry. I want to go get some lunch. This is going to be a long old vlog, so if you watched till the end of yesterday's vlog, thank you very much, because it's 25 minutes long. So while I've been sorting out my room, I found these bits which I was meant to put in my vlog the other day but completely forgot. So I just thought I'd show you guys. These first few bits are from Cult Beauty. I really kindly received this as a PR package and actually freaked out because look at this. Okay, now I can't open it. Oh, that's awkward. Look at this, you guys. Come on, you can do it. These are loads of the Stila liquid eyeshadows, which I absolutely love. I'm not gonna lie, they are expensive for one of these, but if you're looking for something for Christmas, I think they also do like sets of 3 as like Christmas gifts, but this is like the big one that's got loads of them. They are absolutely beautiful. Like these ones are like liquid glitter, but I'm not sure what these ones are. I think these ones are just more like foil eyeshadows, whereas these ones have got actual glitter in them. Like hopefully you can kind of see that. Then also we have this eye brush set from Morphe, and I have recently reviewed Morphe on my channel. Wait, let me just open this up. Okay, so these are the brushes in the set. Why does only one of them say Morphe on it? Oh, it's just because they all turned around. Okay, they all say Morphe at the bottom. But you get like a flat kind of brow carving brush. You get a really tiny inner corner brush or lip brush. 2 fluffy brushes, which look really nice. Another small flat eyeshadow brush, and then you get a double-ended eyebrow brush as well, which actually feels really nice. And then I've just unboxed these bits because it's just easier. The last thing from in this like Cult Beauty package which they sent was the Nude Sticks Glossy Nude Lips. These are like lip and cheek stains. They came in this tin, and then there's 3 nude shades which look really pretty, and then you get a sharpener as well. Oh, I kind of want to swatch one of these. Okay, this one is the shade Babe, which looks like a really pretty, just kind of peachy nude colour. I think I'm going to be keeping this one and then maybe put the other 2 in a giveaway, but they look really nice. I then have this Pure Clean Micellar Water from Kiko, which looks really nice. I'm always down to try new micellar waters. And then the final thing that I got, let me just move all this crap out of the way. This is the All I Want Glossy Box, like the monthly one. I've got the advent calendar, but this is like a monthly box. You're invited. Enjoy a complimentary makeup service with Kat Von D Beauty worth £35. Ooh, cool. Okay, what have we? Oh my god, I love that palette. Oh my god, actually, you get quite a lot of stuff in here. Okay, this is the Blank Canvas Cosmetics Master Series 1 palette, but I already have one of these, so I'm going to put this into a giveaway. By the way, the stuff that I say that I'm putting into a giveaway, I will put it into a box, and then maybe in a couple of days' time on this channel, I will do a giveaway. This is going to be in it, for sure, because I already have one of those. Bronzing Water Mousse. Okay, interesting. Moroccan Oil Hair Treatment, which is always good. What's this little guy? Nude by Nature Perfecting Primer. You get like a mini kind of sample size primer. You get the 2 miniature Kat Von D fragrances in like sample sizes. This is a glitter lips thing, which again, I'm going to be putting this in the giveaway because I don't use glitter lips really. What is this? Oh my god. glitter nail polish, peel off polish. Oh my god, yes please. This is a vitamin C serum. We have an It Cosmetics brow powder pencil. What shade is this? This is in Universal Taupe, but again, I've already got one of these, so I'm going to give that away. And then the final thing is a, what is this? Lash Perfect Black Mascara. Wow, you actually get quite a lot in there. I'm not too sure how much this is. Let's see, does it say? Oh, but apparently it says join today and receive 25% off your first box with the code WANTGLOSSY. So if any of you guys are interested in that, there we go. Thank you so much, Glossybox. This is so kind of you. Okay, so I finished editing my vlog finally. That is now live. And my main channel video is also live, which is, where is it? This is my main channel video, and then in the background, I'm just watching The Grinch again. Wait, actually, I should probably turn the sound off. I'm watching The Grinch again. I had never seen this until last night, and because I hired it, I get it for like 48 hours or something. So I felt like watching it again, just in the background, you know, when you just want to have something on, like while you're working. So that is what I'm doing. I actually really like it. I can't believe I've like got to the age of 21 and never seen The Grinch before, considering I love Christmas so much. But yeah, it's a good film. Would recommend. Why is it so yellow? Okay, so just a little update for you guys. I'm about to change my bedding. What has this channel come to? I am so sorry that these vlogs are so boring, but some people have commented saying that they like boring vlogmases and like chilled vlogmases. I think I'm gonna change my bedding to like Christmas bedding and put up my little tree, and then I do have a main channel video to film. Why have I gone so red? But yeah, I'm gonna go find my little Christmas tree and maybe put that up. But I do have a main channel video to film because my hair appointment has actually been cancelled. Basically, my hairdresser that was supposed to be doing my hair tomorrow has a baby, and her baby is ill, and so she's taking the day off work. So my hair like colouring and cut has now been moved to Friday afternoon, which will be after like the Claire's thing in London. So tomorrow morning that means I can have a lie-in. But I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow. I guess I have to like pack during the day and then edit the video that I'm going to film tonight. The time is like, I think it's about 9:15. Oh, it's like 9:05 in the evening, so I'm going to do my bed now and make it all nice and Christmassy. However, I've just noticed my cat's asleep on my bed. I don't want to move her, I feel bad, but I do need to change these because they've been on for way too long and they are not Christmassy at all. By the way, please excuse my outfit. I'm wearing one of my dad's like really baggy jumpers from the 90s, and then I'm wearing these like leopard print pyjamas from Boohoo. What an outfit, what a look. Guys, we've lost a nail. I mean, this was a fake nail that was stuck on my real nail. Like most of the rest of them are real, so it's all good. It can just be stuck back on, but this is what happens when I actually do stuff. God, that was a lot of work. Okay guys, this is the finished thing. I know it's a bit crinkly, like I'm not a pro at making my bed, but I think it looks pretty cute. It looks more Christmassy than it did before, but when I film I have to move like these cushions because you can see them in the background. So because I'm about to film, I have to move these over here like this, and then I have to sort these out so that that's more straight, and then kind of like this, I guess. Right, so after all of that, I've now decided, after putting in my contact lenses, that I'm gonna film tomorrow morning. Because my hair appointment got cancelled, I'm thinking I can wake up early tomorrow morning, film then instead of now, because it's like 10 o'clock and I don't want to disturb my parents because they'll probably want to go to sleep like relatively soon. So I'm gonna film tomorrow morning, but I just remembered that I haven't done my advent calendars today, so I'm gonna open them now and then I'm gonna put up my tree. Do you guys like my little mountain of advent calendars on here? I know this is such a ridiculously excessive amount of advent calendars. Like, this is not normal, but you guys asked if I could continue to unbox all of them, so that's what I'm going to do. Minus the Nails Ink one, obviously, which I got rid of yesterday. Not got rid of, but, you know, unboxed. Okay, so it's the 5th today, so number 5 is this one here, which I'm guessing is going to be like a, oh god, ow, an eyeliner maybe? Oh, okay, this is a lip liner in the shade Deep Cherry. We then have the NYX one, and 5 is here. And it's another mini lipstick, but this is one of the butter glosses in like a pinky purple sort of colour. That's going to be going in the giveaway because I don't really wear those sorts of shades. Boots number 5 is down here, this little one. What is that? Oh, I think it might be a bar of soap. Why is it shaped like an egg? Whatever this is, it smells amazing. Oh man, it's a bath bomb. I'm allergic to these, so I can't use it. I'm probably going to give this to my brother's girlfriend because I know that she likes bath bombs. Then we have the Body Shop calendar. Number 5 is up here. And this is a strawberry shower gel. These come in so handy because they're so small. Whenever I'm like traveling to different places or whatever, I'll bring them with me. And even just to use anyway, like on a day-to-day basis. And then the final advent calendar, which I always do last because it's my favourite, is the glossy box one. Let's see what's in door number 5. Okay, immediately spotted that one. It's not very heavy. Ooh, what is that? I think this is a mascara. It says greater than MDM Flow. I have never heard of this brand before, but on the bottom it says it's the greater than mascara. Why did I take what? I'm so annoyed that I put contact lenses in and then decided not to film, but whatever, it's fine, I'll just take them out. I have located my tree, which is like a tiny little tree. I have had this up before. Oh my god, I forgot about all of these. I have loads of Christmas decorations as well. Guys, look what is in here. Oh, my fave. I also bought this last year in Poundland, I'm pretty sure. It was either Poundland or Asda, but I'm pretty sure it was Poundland. And then I've also got these letters which spell snow. So I think I'm going to put these up as well. Oh my god, I forgot I had all of this stuff, so I'm gonna decorate my room. Okay, so the way this tree works, you just shove it in here. Ta-da! And I am gonna put this, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. I'm gonna put it over here. Okay, this definitely needs a bit of like adjusting. It's a bit like bare, isn't it? There's not very many branches. I've just realised that I have some fairy lights downstairs that I got from the Soap and Glory event the other day that they didn't need. I'm going to go get those and put them on my tree because may as well make use of what I got because my other ones don't have any batteries in them. Okay, so it's actually been like a couple of hours. I went downstairs, got distracted by watching I'm a Celebrity on catch up with my parents, but I did find the fairy lights. I've got 2 little sets of these, which I'm not sure where they're from, but basically at the Soap and Glory event they had these fairy lights left over, so they said that I could take them, which is really nice. But they're just like these wire fairy lights, so I'm gonna put these on the tree. I also really need to wash my hair tonight because I completely forgot that obviously because I'm no longer getting my hair done in the morning, that means that I have to wash my own hair. Does anyone else like prefer washing their hair in the evening so that they don't have to wake up and do it in the morning? Because that is me. I'm lazy. I'd rather like go to sleep late and then sleep longer in the morning than have to wake up early, if that makes sense. Why is this actually quite difficult? Having wire lights is a lot more difficult than it looks because they get tangled so easily. What the heck? What am I doing? I'm too short. Well, it's a good job I had 2. How have I managed to make such a mess out of that? Okay, well that's done, and it's got a load of mess. Okay, so we've got baubles. Let's do a bit of this. Apparently I can't spell. Okay, so that can go back here. Didn't really want to do that. I feel like there's not much point adding like a reindeer to that because up there has already got like a bit of clutter on it. I don't know. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it there. It will do. And then this can go up here. Oh, you can't even see it. I put Jack Skellington on top of the tree. I mean, I think the award goes to me for the worst decorated Christmas tree you've probably ever seen. These are probably going to fall off in a couple of days, but I want to decorate it anyway. I feel like they're going to fall down overnight and like really scare me or something. How are these two tied together? Perfect. This is probably the worst Christmas tree I have ever seen. Oh my god, you know when you've got a freshly made bed and you just can't wait to dive into it? That is me right now. The last thing I want to go and do is wash my hair and edit a vlog. Can I just stay here, please? I really don't want to move now. But I just know that if I don't wash my hair now, I will regret it in the morning. Right then, I'm gonna go wash this hair. Okay, if my skin looks really red, it's because I've just like cleansed it and put some skincare stuff on. But I think I'm going to end this vlog here. I need to go dry my hair, and then I need to edit this vlog. So I think I'm going to end it here. I'm sorry that it wasn't very interesting today, but I really hope you guys enjoyed it anyway, and I will see you tomorrow, which will be a lot more exciting, I promise. Tomorrow will be a good one, hopefully. Good night!